Hi, I'm Lydia with Hatch Health and Happiness, and today we're going to make energy balls. Energy balls are a great, versatile, portable snack that you can take wherever you go and make them any flavor you want. Today we're going to make gingerbread energy bites, but you can make them any flavor you want. You're going to start with 1 cup of pitted dates. Make sure they're pitted. That would be bad. Throw them in your food processor, and then you're going to add 1 cup any nut that you choose. Today we're going to do a mix of cashews, almonds, and pecans. And lastly, your spice mix, and this is where you can really make it your own. If you don't want to make them gingerbread, you could put cacao powder in here, some peppermint extract, and make a chocolate mint energy bite. Those are great too. But for today, we're going to do 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Once you get it all in, make sure you have your food processor secure and ready to go. You're going to turn it on. And then when you see it start to get moving, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of water through the chute to help it stay together. Okay, when it looks like it's almost finished, this is the part that it's really fun for kids to get involved. Be careful with the blade. You're just going to reach in, make them into a ball, put them on a plate, and refrigerate them for an hour, and then you're done. I'm ready to rock and roll.